Gutex FiberBlow system streamlines the installation of blown-in wood insulation, catering to companies constructing roofs, walls, and other home elements. This modular, scalable, and cost-effective system uses approximately 38 kg of insulation per cubic meter. Its speed is a standout feature, delivering up to 1.2 kg of insulation per hour. Especially designed nozzles ensure even complex shapes are fully insulated. The wood fiber insulation, made from spruce and fir, is both efficient and sustainable. Deckrite, the UK's leading manufacturer of anti-slip decking boards, delivers unmatched safety. In PTV tests, their boards scored 71 points, ensuring minimal slipping risk even on dirty or damp surfaces, a crucial feature for terraces and stairs. The anti-slip effect is achieved using narrow strips made of polyurethane resin infused with bauxite aggregate. This design preserves the natural wood aggregate infused with bauxite aggregate, while maintaining durability. A 2,725/02 softwood board is priced at $20, offering both quality and value. Lancaster Log Cabins, based in the U.S., redeems mobile homes with durable log cabins designed to last 50 years. Unlike cramped campers, these cabins provide a spacious 37 square meters of living space and are comfortable year-round, even in winter. Thanks to American tax regulations, these homes are also tax-efficient. The cabins are delivered turnkey, ready for immediate occupancy or rental. The Sierra model is priced at $74,900, offering not just a home, but a priceless source of memories and experiences. Sherwin-Williams Pyroplast is a flame-retardant coating designed for wood and wood-based materials like particle board. When exposed to fire, it forms a protective charred layer that prevents combustion, limits flame spread, and reduces smoke production. This water-based formula is easy to apply with a sprayer, brush, or roller. However, its use is limited. It's unsuitable for floors, stairs, or high-humidity areas. A 25 kg bucket of Pyroplast is priced at $773, offering peace of mind for select applications. The experts at StairTreads are tackling a critical issue: stair safety. In the US, nearly 1 million stair injuries occur each year, highlighting the importance of durable, high-quality materials. The company offers various wood options, including oak and kumaru, with finishing choices like traditional paint, stain, or aluminum oxide for added durability. Aluminum oxide is especially beneficial for high-traffic areas, protecting against wear and tear while delivering a visually appealing result. Logi Prefab makes building houses quicker and more efficient than ever. The company, with just over 30 employees, has completed more than 300 turnkey projects. Their modular approach involves producing house sections off-site for rapid on-site assembly. A standout example is their 171 square meter twist project home, which offers A++ energy efficiency. With prefab roofing panels and stone wall options, Logi Prefab delivers nearly completed homes within days, redefining modern construction. The future of construction is here thanks to Gablock. Inspired by interlocking building block toys, Gablock's modular construction blocks combine oriented strand board, OSB, and polystyrene foam for simplicity and efficiency. With just 8 key components, assembly is straightforward, even for beginners. A 100 square meter floor can be completed in just 2-3 days. These blocks have been endorsed by acoustic and energy efficiency experts, and both OSB and polystyrene are fully recyclable, appealing to environmentally conscious builders. The cost? Approximately $1,250 per square meter, including materials and labor. Accoya has revolutionized wood treatment with its acetylation technology, enhancing wood's properties without compromising its natural beauty. This process infuses the wood with acetic anhydride, making it resistant to warping, swelling, fungi, and insects. Akoya wood lasts up to 25 years in the ground, retains paint and varnish 4 times longer, and improves thermal insulation. While a faint vinegar scent may linger, it's a small trade-off for a material that can be recycled or burned, combining sustainability and durability. The Weston Burt Arboretum, one of the UK's most stunning attractions, is home to 500 trees and shrubs spread over 243 hectares. Enhancing this natural wonder is the Treetop Walkway, designed by the Bureau Halford team. This 13-meter-high, 300-meter-long structure rests on 57 larchwood supports, carefully placed to protect the tree's roots and crowns. It includes features like a rope bridge and a crow's nest, and its wheelchair-accessible main trail ensures everyone can enjoy the breathtaking views.